Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invest money on Revolut. So if you have any kind of income or money and you'd like to invest through Revolut, it's a wonderful app to basically start your investment portfolio. Revolut is very good for investment. So if you want to start and getting started with investments, you can use Revolut to do so. So once you're inside Revolut, you want to scroll all the way down, guys. You'll have a section that says total wealth, and you will just need to simply click on invest. So you have a bunch of options here. You have your cash, you have saving and funds, you have invest, you have crypto, you have and some link account as well. But if you tap on invest, you will see that it takes you over here where it says start investing. You have a brokerage account, you have a robo advisor account, you have commodities, right? You can scroll down and you will see that it shows you some stocks here and ETFs that you can basically choose. And if you scroll down, you also have so many other things that you can, choose. It gives you the tops and the gainers and the losers there as well. So you just need to come here and find something that you want, right? So if I want to invest, so for example, the PGN, I can tap on that and you can see where you can easily get started with this and you can basically invest. Right. Another way how to start your investment is by simple clicking on crypto. So at the bottom you have crypto here. From the many options, you can tap on that and you can start trading, guys. So you can easily go ahead and start trading. You can choose whatever you want. For example, if I want to start by choosing, let's say I would like to buy LDO, I can tap on that and you will see here it says buy. You just need to click on buy, choose how much you want, and you'll be able to start invest. So these are some really easy ways that you can start your investment by buying different cryptocurrencies or investing whatever you want. As you can see, I showed you earlier. So you have the crypto section and you have the investment section. You can easily go ahead and start. You can buy stocks or ETFs, or you can simply start by investing in cryptocurrencies, as you can see here as well. So very easy stuff here, guys. So it's a great way to start your crypto portfolio or simply invest in the stocks or ETFs by simply creating a Revolut account, and you can start your investment portfolios by using Revolut app. Very easy and very simple.